Okay students, in my last video I was explaining you question number 6. In question number 6 what they have given you? They have given you the information about the distance covered by a bus in 1 hour. In 1 hour a bus is covering 46/3 किलोमीटर. ओके 46/3 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है. तो आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है कि 2/5 आवर्स में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी बस. इज़ इट क्लियर? तो यहाँ पर भी आपको क्या करना है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, बिकॉज दे हैव गिवन यू इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट 1 hour एंड वॉट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट अबाउट 2/5 आवर्स. इज़ इट क्लियर? तो आप क्या करोगे यहाँ पर भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन, राइट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th and 6th. Solution 5. First of all you will write cost of 1 meter cloth. Yes or no? Cost of 1 meter cloth is given to you, that is rupees 41/2 rupees. Okay, what you have to find out? Therefore cost of 1/3 meter cloth. What you will do? You will do multiplication. So 41/2 into 1/3. Now the numbers are in mixed fraction. So first of all you will convert them into improper fraction. So what you will do? 42 ja 80 and 80 plus 1 will be 81. So 81/2 into 3 ja 9, 9 plus 1 will be 10. 10/3. Now you will see whether they are getting cancelled or not. So 2 and 10 are getting cancelled. 2 1 time and 2 5 times. And 3 and 81. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21. So my answer will be 7 5 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10, 11 12 13. 135. That means cost of 1/3 meter cloth equals to rupees 135. Right? Let's do solution 6. First of all you will write distance covered in 1 hour equals to 46/3 kilometer, right? Therefore what you have to find out? Distance covered by a bus in 2/5 hours. So what you will do? You will do multiplication. So 46/3 into 2/5. Now first of all we will convert it into improper fraction. So 46/3 ja will be 46/3 ja will be 4 3 ja 12 13. 138 and 138 plus 2 will be 140/3 into 5 2 ja 10 11 12, 12/5. Now 3 and 12 are getting cancelled. 3 1 time and 3 4 time. 5 and 140 will getting 5 and 140 are getting cancelled. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10 and 5 8 ja 40. What is remaining? 28 into 4. So 28 4 ja will be 112. So distance covered by a bus in 2/5 hour is 112 kilometer. Is it clear? So this was exercise 4E. Now I am direct starting exercise 4F question number 2 because it is same as the division of fraction. जो आपने fractions में किया था division, उसी तरह से आपको यहाँ पर भी करना है. ओके कुछ भी अलग नहीं है. जैसे हम रेसिप्रोकल करते थे वहाँ पर, जैसे 4/9 डिवाइड बाय -5/12 है, तो आप क्या करोगे 4/9 इंटू 12/-5 करोगे और फिर उसको कैंसिल कर दोगे. तो ये बहुत ईजी है. दैट इज़ वाई आई एम डूइंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2 टुडे ओनली. राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू हाउ टू डू. यू विल डू in your classwork copy only. Okay, I am starting question number 2, simplify. I will do question number 1, 2 and 3 for you, and you will do 4, 5th and 6th. Right. So let's start doing. So exercise 4F, question number 2 is simplify. First question, 4/9 divide by -5/12. Now our first step will be 4/9 I will write as it is. डिवीजन के बदले क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन की साइन, और 12/-5 आ जाएगा. राइट. क्योंकि डिवीजन जब मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाता है तो उसके बाद वाला जो नंबर होता है वो रेसिप्रोकल करते हैं. यस और नो. तो आई एम डूइंग रेसिप्रोकल हियर. नाउ आई विल सी वेदर दे आर गेटिंग कैंसल्ड और नॉट. सो हियर 9 and 12 आर गेटिंग कैंसल्ड. 3 3 जा 9 and 3 4 जा 12. Now nothing are getting cancelled. So I will write 4 4 जा 16 upon -15. 5 3 ja 15. But as we know that we cannot write negative sign in the denominator, I will shift it to the numerator. So it will become -16/15. That means my answer is -16/15. Is it clear? Now the next question. The next question is -8 divide by -5/16. Now you all know that if nothing is given in the denominator, that means there is 1. So I will write -8/1. डिवीजन क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा, और डिवीजन के बाद वाला नंबर रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स 16/-5. ओके. Now you will see whether they are getting cancelled or not. So nothing is getting cancelled. 8 और 16 को आप कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते हो क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर में. ठीक है. 5 8 नहीं जा रहा, 5 16 भी नहीं जा रहा, बट माइनस साइन यू कैन कैंसिल. ठीक है. तो माइनस साइन मैंने कैंसिल कर दिया. Now whatever is remaining that you will multiply. So 16 8 ja will be 128 आएगा. 16 8 जा 48. Yes, 128/5 will be my answer. Okay. Now third question. Third question is -12/7 divide by -18. Here in the denominator nothing is given, that means what is there, 1. Now I will write -12/7. Instead of division I will write multiplication and then 1/-18. Now you will see whether they are getting cancelled or not. Minus and minus are getting cancelled. 12 and 18 are going in the table of 6. 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18. Now nothing is getting cancelled, so write as it is. 2 1 ja 2 and 7 3 ja 21. So 2/21 will be my answer. Right. So this questions are very very simple. You can do question number 4, 5 and 6 on your own. Do practice of all these questions. Right. So this much is for today. We will continue from question number 3 tomorrow. Thank you.